Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my homemade mincemeat recipe. This video is starring Rosalie and my nan, so her great nana. We usually make this recipe at least every few years, and we usually make a big batch so it does last a while. I personally think that this mincemeat makes the best mince pies ever. For this recipe you will need 225 grams of suet, 350 grams of grated apple, 200 grams of chopped dates, 900 grams of mixed fruit, 250 grams of currants, 2 teaspoons of mixed spice, the zest and juice of 2 lemons, and not forgetting 115 grams of dark muscovado sugar and 225 grams of golden caster sugar. Add all the ingredients to your bowl and stir to combine them all together.
Oh, there's lots of fruit, isn't it?
Combine all the ingredients together.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. You want to put it in the jar?
I can do that one.
And fill your jars with the mixture. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed seeing how we made our mincemeat. Thank you for watching this video. Please like if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to watch my next Vlogmas video that will be coming to you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye!